Welcome to the RMail video short series on the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook settings. The RMail app for Microsoft Outlook allows you to send emails using the RMail Track Improve, Encrypt, eSign, File Share, and other features. This video will review the RMail Signature Pad settings in the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook. The Signature Pad feature allows users to add their scripted signature and time and date stamp to the bottom of emails as a way to sign their email. To view the settings, you have two options. From the inbox, press File, then RMail Settings. The second option is from the Feature Dialog Box. Press the Settings button. The signature box is located on the Feature Dialog Box by pressing More, and it's on the bottom right corner. And is called RPost Inc. Sign Email and PDF Attachments. The Signature Pad settings include the following. The first checkbox is to enable the feature on the Feature Dialog Box for use. The second checkbox, when checked, will sign all RMail messages with your signature. To add your signature, you have two options. The first option is to press Expand, script your name with your mouse, and press Save. The second option is you can upload your signature by pressing the Browse button, finding the file on your computer, and saving it. To add your signature to the email, simply press the Add button prior to pressing the Send button on the Feature Dialog Box. The signature email will have your signature located at the bottom of the text along with your name, your email address, and the time and date stamp the email was transmitted. Please note, your administrator has the ability to override the settings in the app. If a setting is not behaving as expected, please contact your administrator. Be sure to watch other RMail videos to learn more. Thank you.